Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Gemini in Gmail app. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your Gmail app, tap on three line menu, scroll down, tap on settings. Now select any Gmail account, scroll down. First turn off smart features, tap on Google Workspace smart features. Now another turn off smart features in Google Workspace, and again turn off smart features in other Google products. Finally, turn off Gemini in Gmail app, iPhone, Android and Samsung. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.